Hi there, all you wild animals. I'm Dumbo's friend Timothy, the top mouse here on the Casey Jr. Circus train. Me and Casey got a lot to show you. But before we get rolling, your trainer's gonna make sure you're all seated inside your cages and cars. Okay, Casey, let's get this show on the road. All aboard?
All aboard! Let's go!
Here we go!
Casey Jr.'s coming down the track with a smoky stack. Hear him puffin' coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every Jack and Jill. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and Cracker Jack. Casey Jr.'s back, Casey Jr.'s back. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade and Cracker Jack. Casey Jr.'s back, Casey Jr.'s back.
That storybook land way down there. Along the canals are the homes of a lot of your old friends, such as, let's see, Mr. Toad, Alice, Snow White, and a bunch of funny-looking dwarfs, and that's where Peter Pan and Tinkerbell practice flying when they're not out chasing Captain Hook. Hey, Casey, look out! That tunnel looks pretty narrow up there. Uh-oh, that hill ahead almost stopped us last time. Come on, Casey, you can do it. Come on. Hang on, everybody. You made it, Casey. We made it. We still gotta take it easy, though, because we're crossing the canal and it's awful wet down there by those windmills and dikes. You know, Snow White got lost once here in the Black Forest, but we don't have to worry because Casey knows a secret way out. Hey, slow down, Casey. We're back home again. Stay seated now till Casey stops. Oh, and you wild animals in the cages. Your trainer will be right there to let you out. Bye now.